Red line up there. Hey, it's Pommy. Hey, it's Lone Wolf. Hey, it's Stranger Danger. Hey, it's the guy with the mask. So you just do that every time.
Yeah, they could be going already. That's just it. But
let's fuck! Uh-oh! Drop something! He's gonna have a really good game. He's already fucked. Pommy's all like, I never run. All right.
We're gonna move with the line.
Where's Chris? We're Lone Wolf.
We're gonna move with the line. Let's go.
Lone Wolf. Lone Wolf. What's your 20?
Contact.
Oh shit. Get down to our right. Hey, you're like out in the open, bro.
Bruh.
So where do I go? You got eyes?
Back to spawn.
I see him.
Where you got him?
He's down?
12 o'clock. Right side of it.
Who's 12?
R12.
You aiming right at him?
Yep. He running? Nope, he's not moving. If anything, he went back to the left.
Let's fuck, boy!
Blue barrels.
Blue barrels, blue barrels. Left of blue barrels.
Blue barrels.
Let's fucking push it, dude. That's black base, eh? What's your ETA, Lone Wolf?
I'm here.
I'm gonna push up to this tree here. Got him. Somebody watch my left. Contact yellow fence! What do you got? Fuck, god damn it. I'm never doing this thing anymore. I don't know what's going on with that. Nice cover, Pommy. Yellow fence. You see it? Yeah. Those are accurate. Nice shots. He's right at yellow fence. He's sitting behind there.
I don't have a bead on yellow though. I can barely see it through the trees. See him up in the window.
Okay, yeah, you see him upstairs. I got yellow. Pong's got yellow.
I can't get to the base though through the trees.
What do we do?
You guys able to move up to this wood?
To where?
You guys able to move there?
Yeah.
Alright, go.
Fucking A.
There's 12, Michael, the black.
There's room up there for 2 or no?
Let me know when you're ready for me to move.
Let's fuck!
Go, go, go.
I got the guy that got you. You're clear to push up, Pommy.